Hey, what up, Algebra 2, second period math class. Everyone's a senior in this class except for Avery, I believe. But I just want to check with you guys, see how you're doing. Getting out, get some fresh air, finding some stress relieving activities, I hope. Second, talk about this Tuesday's assignment a little bit, give you a little video notes. So this is 2-1 relations and functions. We did this back in September. We're going to review this. It's a reteaching tool just to get you ready for where you need to be the next stage of your life, wherever that is. In case you have problems during this coronavirus distance learning, there's a couple of tools that I've taught my kids in my house what to do if you have questions. First, if you have a home smart device, like a Google, I forget what it's called. It's a Google Home, I think. And then it's also, we have the Alexa, and we ask Alexa a lot of questions, or you can ask Siri on your phone. So I asked Siri on my phone, what is a math function? And this came up. I'm not sure if you can see this even, but anyway. But if you're having questions, right, this is a great time in your life to teach yourself how to do something. Right now I'm teaching myself how to redo our bathroom. It's tough. But what do? I just Google everything. It might not be right the first time, but it could be right the second time or third time. So I really encourage you guys to check out other ways to learn and to find answers during this problem of distance learning. So anyway, I'm going to go through this worksheet 2-1 with you, talk about what a function is, and teach you about it again. If you don't want to listen to this, that's fine. The worksheet is on the assignment. Just do the worksheet. There's 10 questions, I believe, on the first page and 4 more on the second page. So it should be real easy. First page, we're not going to do numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. You need a dice or a die, and we're not going to make you do those. So what is a function? A function is a relation, is a set of ordered pairs. The domain is a set of first numbers in each ordered pairs, or the x values. The range is a set of second numbers in the ordered pair. That's the y values. So remember how x and y are set up. X is the first number, it's over here, and y is the second number. It's how we graph things. An ordered pair is how we graph, in case you forgot. A relation is a function of if each, okay, this is the rules. And we learned 2 rules. First, if the x corresponds exactly to 1 y, right? So the x cannot repeat. That's the first rule. The x cannot repeat. Number 1, x cannot repeat, right? Because it just goes straight up. And this is the second rule we learned. If you're graphing, or if you see a graph, it has to pass the vertical line test. And that's the second rule we learned way back in September. And we're just going to review that right now. The vertical line test and the x values cannot repeat. So let's skip 1 through 4. Let's do number 5. And I graphed number 5 for you. Right there. And you can see the x values go straight up and the x values repeat. So no, it is not a function because it does not pass the vertical line test and the x values repeat. Number 6. The x values are 0, 1, -1, -2, and 2. So there's no repeating x values. So yes, it is a function. And for the directions, all I want is a yes or no. I don't need you to explain your answer. I don't need you to find the domain and range. We're not looking for that yet. Number 7, yes, it is a function because the x values are a, c, e, and g. Number 8, I, n, I. These are letters. So you have to assume they have the same value. So if it is a letter, they cannot repeat also. So I put no because I repeats 3 times. Hopefully you can see that. Number 9, it is a function, yes. Number 10, no, because 1/2 is a fraction, and that equals also 0.5, which is also 1/2. So that's the first page. Second page of 2-1. Same idea. They have a little table for you. They have the function rule. And what they're going to do eventually is they're going to give you a number to insert into the function to complete. So there's 4 of these, and it's just like an equation. You just put the number a function, just like an equation, put the number in for the variable to solve. And then you have to show the ordered pair at the end. And so I'm going to box in my answer of what the y is, because remember the input is the x, the y is the output. That's the answer. So x comes first, and you put the number in, and you get an output, which is the y. So number 11 is 3x minus 7. And they say x equals 6. So you put 6 in for x. You get 18 minus 7 is 11. And you have to rewrite that in a, I'm really bad at this, sorry, ordered pair, 6, 11. Number 12, same thing. You can see next to it, 9x minus 5. Put in 3 for x. You get 27 minus 5 is 22. And then it's 522. Number 13, it's 12x. X equals 4, 48. 4, 48 is your ordered pair. And the last one, number 14, and this is your whole homework for the day, so it's pretty easy, guys. 14 is 8x minus 5. X is 7. 8 times 7 is 56 minus 5 is 51. Ordered pair is 7, which is your x, and 51 is your y. And that's it. Taking too much time already from your day. Hopefully, I mean, it's 11:50 right now. You're probably sleeping still. So hopefully you're waking up a little bit. You see my assignment. You complete it, and you have a glorious day. Go outside, catch some sun rays, get some vitamin D, soak it all in, be social distancing appropriate for school. Peace. I'll send another video.